unstable.
Yeah.
Don't you hate it when a dude starts acting up? Like this fella over here with his hand on his cup. He mugging and carrying on.
Hey JT,
Yeah.
why these dudes keep staring at us?
I don't know, but I'm about to find out what's up.
Be easy, don't take it too rough. Talk to him.
I'm not being cocky, I just noticed that she was looking at me. Chill, homeboy, be cool, cause there ain't no reason for all that.
But having a look at corn, corn is another one which is traded via a futures or a CFD. And if we just move on, there's the corn at the moment. And corn is basically ZC, ZCU, 0. And that's the futures, same feeling. A little bit less because obviously the price is less in terms of its nominal value. That's 20,000 there. Initial margin is a lot less, as you can see, because it's not as volatile as wheat. And I think that to me is one of the ones that you would look at. Also having a look, obviously with that you can trade the CFD as well, and you're just typing in corn there, and there it comes up. So same sort of deal. Over the CFD to the futures, if you have got that leveraged fill, that's good. If you haven't, then trade the CFD, which is a little bit smaller contract. Now with the CFDs and the futures, you can actually trade things like sugar, coffee, cocoa, soybeans, and they're all very easily to trade, and you've just got to understand that the market will work in a good fundamental and a good technical way. And as you can see here, that trades very well. Look at this just for corn, and you can get a little bit of a feel as to how that we are actually at the lower end of the range. Bit of a movement there. If we break out through that top, then it could be quite a positive move to the top side. You can also see that by looking at some of the others, soybeans. Soybeans in itself, quite positive there as well, and that's coming up, and there you go. Looking at soybeans to break out to the top pretty soon. At the moment, that divergence suggesting perhaps a test to the downside, so I'd certainly just save up my energy before something happens on that one. But generally speaking, all the commodities you can trade, and they're very easy to trade whether it's done by a CFD or a futures. Even rough rice is something we've been looking at. You can certainly easily trade. Rough rice is another one, and quite easy to get involved via a CFD or a futures or an ETF. And there's the chart there. As you can see, trends quite nicely, so there's some good opportunities there. You've got opportunities to actually invest. Probably from the long side, I'd probably suggest. Sugar is another one, which we're just having a look at now. There we go. And as you can see, some very good trending markets. I like that sort of formation there, all quite positive. And I think from here, a little bit of sideways. Let's see what happens, but overall, quite good. So as you can see, there are some good things you can look at, particularly when you are trading some of these commodities. The softs, there are some good opportunities. Not a lot of people do it. Remember, you can trade via a CFD, a futures, or an ETF, but just be guarded on the ETF in terms of that price comparisons. But you can see some great opportunities when trading them, and keep an eye on all the fundamentals. You've got to do a bit of reading, and also the techniques, because they trade quite well together. Well, that's it for me for that 9-minute educational grab. If you want more information, just feel free to give us a call. Download a demo, www.falcontrader.com.au. Look at the debrief on Twitter, Facebook, so you can always get some information, particularly about what we're actually seeing as well. Okay, that's about it. Good luck, and we'll talk to you soon.